Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna hit some springs. We are in the nearest boat ramp. This is a public boat ramp. The name is Shell Harbor Park. This one is the closest one to the Silver Glen Spring. That one is the clearest spring that you can find here in Central Florida. We are around like an hour far from Orlando. We are in the east side of the Ocala National Forest. I'm gonna leave in the description below this video all the information about this public boat ramp and about the Silver Glen, but you also can get there driving if you want it. But also if you have the jet ski, or if you have a boat, or even if you have a kayak and you can take a nice trip to the Silver Glen, you can do it here. This is the nearest boat ramp. I'm gonna show you the bathroom that you can change your clothes, that you can use the bathroom. Also have a plenty parking parking lot over there. That means you don't need to worry about if you're gonna find a parking space. Today is a perfect weather today. I'm gonna show you here. Let's just jump in this adventure. This one here is the Shell Harbor Park. Like always, be careful with all the animals that we have there. We have a lot of manatees here. Hopefully we can catch some, that way I can show you in the video. Let's see, because it's not usually you can see in this lake. This is the boat ramp here. We have here's the ramp. We have two ramps here, but if you have a big boat, I mean, you can take the whole thing. We have here the dock here, have a space to put your boat while you are putting your truck back. I love it. I mean, the weather is perfect today, and we have there a little trail that you can just walk around. If you have your puppies, you can bring your puppies as well. They can just take a quick walk before hit the lake. Like always, you know how dark are the lakes. Don't be worried. There's no alligator here in Florida anymore. Just kidding. Just be careful all the time. Be watching, you know, around the areas, because alligators can be anywhere. And also in the spring as well. We never have any bad experience with those. That means I say just be careful always. But yes, this it is. We have the bathroom here. Let me show you the bathrooms. We have the bathroom here. There are family room styles. They have your lights. You have plenty of space here if you're gonna change your clothes after you come back from the trip, or even if you are going to and you're gonna put your swimming clothes. Have some water fountain here. Have a picnic table. I mean, always the bathrooms are clean. And over there we have the parking lot. We have, I would say, like 20 to 30 parking spots over there. Picnic table is right here. If you wanna take some snacks before your trip, or while you are waiting until they put the boat on the water. But yes, this is the Shell Harbor Park. This is a public boat ramp. Let's go and hit the springs. That way you can see the clearest water spring here in Florida. Hey guys, when I say we have a plenty parking spot, you see all these, you can use it to park your truck here. We have the truck right here, and we also have the jet ski already. It's just a short walk that you need to go back to the ramp area. But now finally and officially, we're ready to hit the water. Boom! Guys, you're gonna find a lowest speed sign, and you know that building over there, that is a Juniper Club. But I also all the time on the lake, I have signal on my phone. I stop like twice, and that way I can check my Google Maps, because I'm just using Google Map right now. You don't have any special satellites or anything, any device to have signal here on the lake. No, everything just use my phone. And we're heading right now to the entry of Silver Glen. Like I say, we have pretty cloudy over there, but look, it's a nice weather. That way we are gonna see the water pretty clear. But when you found that building over there, I'm coming from that way. You see the houses over there, and it's right there. You will see how the water is gonna start changing of color, but it's only one canal. I mean, it's nothing that you can get lost. Okay, this lake is pretty big. but I also try to respect the slow speed, the minimum weight, because manatees are here all the way around. Even if you don't see that they are under the water, you try to respect that. See how the water, you see how the water is now changing the color. Now they're looking clearer here. You will see over there when we get to the you know, near to the spring, where the water coming under the ground. See, you can still see it, the bottom. Was like I don't have time to turn on the camera because it started to getting clear. Right now it's not the clearest. Right now it looks like a pool. We have here the Juniper Club. If you're ever wondering about how they look like in Ocala, is this one. Have a dock here. People start doing fishing and everything. I respect those areas because those areas over there, they sometimes they have crabs, I believe, to catch. Yes, it is. Yep. See the crabs over there? It is for blue crabs. Last time when we was here, we find a lot of blue crabs going around. Look like maybe it was the season. You can check then. I believe it's overland camping or something on my channel. It's a big one. It's clear here. Really clear. It's good. You see how shallow it is? If you go there, deeper over there, and also where the boats just, you know, like they have like a boat track that you can go around, and they park here in the middle. They have some buoys here, red ones and green ones. They, you know, they signal and they show you as another protect area for the crabs. But in those areas, there's like a little bit deeper, but I mean, it's nice. I mean, I love it. With this weather, I don't feel cold at all. Over there in the middle, it's pretty cold, but right now it's here. Whew, so nice. Yeah, because they're having the bomb ranges here in Ocala National Forest. We are nearby. You don't have to worry about. They are doing flying practices, you know. Okay, when we are in the end of the Silver Glen, we already, you know, you see a lot of boats here, anchor here. We have a line here. They told you that you can cross that, and now you can just swim. Over there in the middle, they have the deepest area. That is where the water coming from. You know, the spring water coming inside from the bottom. And over there they have to throw the kayak. So if you want to swim there, we are gonna leave the waypoint right there. Let's go and take a look. Now the water they're gonna be colder and colder while you are approaching to the middle of that. Let me show you. If you're worried to bring your kids here, see how shallow it is. They have like a shallow bank here. After you walk like maybe to there, after you walk that one, maybe like a 20 feet here. Also we have lifeguard on duty. Let's see, it's getting colder. It's pretty nice here in Silver Glen. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. We have some fun, we have a really nice water over there, fresh water on the spring. We always love to come to the Florida Springs. Feel free to come here, it is free. You don't have to pay nothing to get to the Silver Glen when you come here with a boat, a jet ski, or kayak, paddling, whatever you wanted. And also the boat ramp is free. My name is Carlos from Inciarte 4x4. We're always going to do some camping here in Florida and all the East Coast here of the country. We also go to the events. We have a lot of companies that sponsor our truck and they send us product for free. Take a look of those videos as well, but we're also going to start to do more videos of our adventures and the places that we go on and camping and have fun during the weeks here. We go all year round. Thank you guys, and hopefully you enjoy this video.